he put up a whole slide where he has dozens and dozens of functions in the standard library for manipulating these data structures. So I'm not going to go through that whole list, but just to take two very small examples of things that might require many lines of code in most other languages, they become a single line of code in Clojure. So here's an example. Here's the problem. Take the sum of the first 100 even numbers. So I can do that all by just, writing functions. Range, again, I'm going from the inside out. Range is a function that returns an infinite lazy sequence of integers starting at 0. So it actually doesn't return any integers at all. It just returns a thing which will give me all of the integers when I ask for them. So I'm not actually trying to realize an infinite number of integers in memory. It doesn't work so well in the browser. Then I filter them. I say, give me all of the integers that match this predicate, which is another function, even. So now I have an infinite lazy sequence of all even integers. Then I say take the first 100. I still haven't actually realized anything in memory. I've just returned a new thing that will give me the first 100 of those even integers. Finally, at the end, the last step I call reduce, and at that point only will I actually start realizing these things. So then I just take 2 integers at a time from this infinite sequence of even integers, and I get the first 100 of them, and I add them all up and get my result. A similar example, say I have the text of Hamlet by William Shakespeare in a variable. I can get a sequence of all the matches of a regular expression. That hash string, that is the syntax for